Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Kylie Jenner's new liquid lipsticks. And when I say new, I mean her new formula. You guys know that I did pretty much a little haul slash bundle review on her high glosses. So today we're going to be reviewing the liquid matte lipstick. But first, before I get into the video, I just want to put you guys on a really cool brand, and it is a fragrance brand called Dossier. And so just a little bit about the brand. This is a brand that basically reproduces classic high-end luxury fragrances. And you guys, the fragrance that I have, it is called Floriental Brown Sugar, and it smells phenomenal, you guys. So let me tell you guys a little bit about their mission. Their mission is to deliver the highest quality luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you guys the freedom to explore new scents. How cool is that? So about my Floriental Brown Sugar scent, this one is actually inspired by the YSL Mon Paris perfume. So it smells so good. I totally recommend you guys trying these perfumes out, especially if you don't want to spend $100 on a perfume. You guys know fragrances are extremely expensive. $100, maybe $89.99 is the bare minimum for a luxury brand fragrance, and these $29. They start at $29, and especially if you guys want to purchase this one, this is the one that I have, it is $29. So definitely go ahead, and I do have a discount code, so I'll make sure that I put the discount code right here, so you guys go and try out the brand. It's really affordable, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to get right into these liquid lipsticks. I'm really excited because this is like the product that I've been waiting for Kylie Jenner. A lot of people think that her liquid lipsticks have been really drying in the past, and it's true, they have been. So that's one thing I really want to test for today, aside from just the scent, you know, the regular things that I would test for. So here is the packaging today. It has that really cute pink packaging, and so the color that I think I'm going to try on first is Autumn Matte. So since these are the kits, they do come with a lip liner, and then you get your liquid lipstick. And I have not had this color in the past. I don't know if it's new, but I haven't had it. So I'm just gonna line my lips and then put on the liquid lipstick. Okay, you guys, so before I even put on the liquid lipstick, I just want to let you guys know that these lip liners are as creamy as they were before. Kylie is known for having like some of the best lip liners like in the game, in my opinion, and so they glide on so easily. So even if you guys don't end up liking these liquid lipsticks, you got to cop. You gotta cop the lip liner because they're awesome. So now I'm about to try on the liquid lipstick in the shade Autumn. So you guys, as far as the shade, I'm not gonna lie, this is such a pretty coral pink. I really love it. The liner goes perfectly with the color. I mean, 10 out of 10 on the shade, like it's dope. Now let's talk about how it feels on my lips. Pretty much any matte is going to feel a little bit dry. However, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the formula is still a bit more drying than the typical liquid matte lipstick. I personally would give it like a 5 to 6 on the scale as far as it feels, but you guys know that beauty is pain, so I'm not gonna lie, I would wear this shade. I would wear the liquid lipstick so far just based on this shade, period. Just because I actually used to wear the old ones. Like, I wasn't much of a like complainer about how it felt on my lips just because I liked the way it looked. I know that's kind of crazy, but I really did. I love the way that her liquid lipsticks looked. So yeah, here is Autumn Matte. You guys, literally my lips were not chapped before I put these on, and I do see a little bit of skin peeling on my lips from the matte liquid lipstick, so that's not really a good sign. but I can't lie, that does tend to happen when I take off my lip products that are like matte, so it's a little normal. But yeah, anyways, we're just gonna move into the next shade. So the next shade that I picked up was Exposed, and I do remember this shade here. I personally didn't have it, but I always wanted this shade, so we're gonna try it on today. So far, this lip liner is a little bit too light for my liking. I typically wear browns as lip liners anyways, but I'm gonna try on the matte liquid lipstick anyways. So looking at this shade, it is a very true nude for me. Personally, I think it will look better with a brown lip liner, but hey, that's just me. You guys might want to wear it, you know, as the kit comes, whatever. I think it would be really cute either way. Would I wear it like this? Maybe. And you know what? It would also look really good with one of the glosses that I got, the high glosses from the bundle. So I'm gonna say this is a cute little color, I'm not gonna lie. So you guys, the next shade I'm gonna be trying is Kylie. It is a really pretty pink from what I'm seeing in the box. It's actually a lot more pale than what I thought, but I'm still gonna try it on. Now this lip liner right here, I would not purchase this again. It is entirely too light in my opinion. Like the other one for Exposed was light, but this is, yeah, not my typical shade at all. So I think that the pink shade is really cute. However, the lip liner, I don't think it did me justice personally. And I don't know how women of color would feel about that particular lip liner. So I would probably steer clear from it. It's really not all that. However, the pink shade is cute. I would definitely keep wearing the pink shade of the liquid matte lipstick, just not the lip liner. So I have two more shades that I want to try on for you guys today. So I'm going to follow up with this really red shade, and it's called No Sleep. So you guys, this is the shade No Sleep, and I'm really feeling it. I kind of think that this is not a typical fan favorite. I thought it was gonna be like a really red, but this is more like a fuchsia almost type blue red, and I'm in love with it. I think it's super cute, and it's a really big pop. Like, this is going to grab the attention of others, okay? But I really did want like a red, so I think I need to go back and purchase the shade Mary Jo, because that is a true red from what I heard, you know, around the block or whatever. But I'm really glad that I purchased this one too. So yeah, this is No Sleep. So just so you guys are aware, that last shade did stain my lips quite a bit, but as you can see, there's nothing really on this little white paper. So I'm gonna go in with my very last shade, and for the very last shade we have the shade Clove. So it looks like this. I have no idea what the shade is gonna look like. I don't know if it's brownish or purple. So you guys, this is so much more my style. I was kind of trying to figure out if this was going to be a brown or a purple. Once I started putting that liner on, y'all, I already knew it was going to be in the berry family, and this color, this shade right here is top tier. Like, I'm upset that I don't have like a brown shade though, so I think I also need to cop Mary J, which is the red, and then find some kind of brown. The brown that I really liked prior to this relaunch or new formula was True Brown K, but when I was trying to get that shade, it was out of stock, or she hadn't put the shade on the website yet. But yeah, anyways, back to this shade. Super cute. Like, if you love a berry shade, I would suggest you purchase this shade right here because it's phenomenal. Like, I could so see myself wearing this color out and about. So yeah, overall, when it comes to the new formula of the liquid lipsticks, I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say they kind of feel the same. I mean, I could be totally off base with that, but they still feel pretty dry in my opinion. That's just my opinion. You guys, don't butcher me, okay? I just feel like they could be just a little bit more hydrating. I know it's a matte formula, but that would be like my preference or my opinion if like someone ever asked me, like, yeah, I think they could be a little bit more hydrating. Like I said before, I would give it like a 5/6 on the hydrating formula. Other than that, the shade range is pretty cute, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if there's an option for you to only purchase her lip liners, but if there is, I'm probably gonna purchase some more lip liners because they're so creamy, pigmented, and they just feel really good on the lips. I would certainly purchase her lip liners alone. Okay, you guys, so this concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. I love trying on new products for you guys. And yeah, be sure, if you're new here today with me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can continue to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye, you guys.